when we rub it to her head, the balloon or the body will gain negative charge. And then,
you know what is negative charge?
Negative charge is opposite from positive charge.
Yes.
When negative charge and positive charge attract. So when we rub the balloon on the head, one will gain negative charge and then some of the hair will stick.
Yeah, stick to each other. Like
And
balloon is here,
it will
and
attract.
then is going, when we go up, it's sticking.
It will attract.
Yes.
And when we make it close, it will stick.